Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be discussing a penny stock that I'm going to be buying more of. So before we get into it, just to reiterate, I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure you do your own research before investing in a stock. Also, if you find value in today's video, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content, and hit the notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. Also, don't forget about your free stocks with Webull. All you got to do is deposit $100 and make a new account. Link in the description below. So guys, let's dive right on into it. Okay guys, so I'm talking about HEMP Inc, ticker symbol HEMP. This is an article that they were mentioned in Verified Market Research, which is verifiedmarketresearch.com, and the recognition came off of Yahoo Finance. I saw the article pop up today, and I just want to go over that with you and kind of what it means for the company. So, industrial hemp market size and forecast. So, it says according to Verified Market Research, the global industrial hemp market was valued at $5.66 billion in 2020 and is projected to reach $27.72 billion by 2028, growing at a 25.17% increase from 2021 to 2028. It says rising awareness among the consumers about benefits of industrial hemp, increasing legalization to cultivate industrial hemp in many countries, and rising application of industrial hemp in diverse industries such as textile, pharmaceutical, food, beverage, personal care, construction and material, furniture, and paper is expected to drive the market for industrial hemp. So if you see here on this chart, they just kind of show you their projection over the next several years of it going from 5.66 billion to 27.72. Goes on to say the global industrial hemp market definition. Industrial hemp, generally known as hemp, is an agricultural product. Industrial hemp is an annual broad-leaved plant consisting of a taproot that is capable of rapid growth under perfect growing conditions. Industrial hemp also includes the byproducts of hemp plants and plant parts. Examples of byproducts that are considered as industrial hemp include hemp flower, hemp, and hemp seed oil. Industrial hemp is harvested for use in producing a large number of products, including construction and insulated materials, paper products, fiberglass, textiles, biofuels, bioplastics, and other products as well. Industrial hemp can be grown for food and non-food products without relying on toxic chemical pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers. Basically, every part of the plant can be put to a worthy use. Flowers, stalks, seeds, and oils all have applications. Consumed universally, Indian cannabis or industrial hemp is counted among the best grades available at a reasonable price. Industrial hemp fiber, primarily bast fiber, is widely used for manufacturing textiles, including consumer fabrics and technical textiles. Consumer products include apparel, diapers, fabrics, handbags, working clothes, denim, socks, shoes, and fine textiles manufactured from cotton fibers. Hemp fabric is strong, hypoallergenic, and is naturally resistant to UV light, mold, mildew, which represents an added advantage over the other fabrics. So, why is that important? If they're going to produce all of these things here, then think about what hemp has going for it, their processing facilities, and their plan to expand in Florida with their processing facilities. These people who are growing hemp are going to need a place to go and process all the fibers to sell to the companies who are going to be producing textiles and clothes and all these things with the use of hemp. So that's pretty amazing. And it goes on to say the global industrial hemp market overview. Increasing application usage in personal care, food, beverage, textile, and biocomposite industries is projected to drive industrial hemp market size. The rise in hemp oil demand on account of high essentially fatty acids content, which prevents and alleviates ailments in the factors contributing to industry growth from food and beverage sector. Industrial hemp is an extremely renewable resource. Once harvested, the crop has a high yield of edible proteins and fibers, with more than 50,000 product applications. The demand for industrial hemp is increasing by the day. Let me read that again. The demand for industrial hemp is increasing by the day, owing to the increasing awareness towards health among consumers. The growing shift of consumers towards natural products is a significant driver for the industrial hemp global market. Industrial hemp has a large number of end uses like paper making, textiles, biodegradable plastics, fuel, construction, and healthy food. It kind of get repetitive there after after a certain point. This is one paragraph I want to focus on right here. It says, in addition, super mechanical properties of industrial hemp manufactured through environmental friendly processes are primarily used for specialty pulp and paper insulated materials and biocomposites in automotive application. The rising demands for lightweight automotive is driving the demand for hemp biocomposites for their interior applications such as door panels, trunk liners, spare wheel covers, headliners, and parcel trays. Global automotive lightweight materials market demand may surpass $120 billion by 2025 on account of government regulations concerning fuel efficiency and rising lightweight utilize, materials utilization by the manufacturers. So that is pretty big, guys. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to show you the global industrial hemp market segmentation analysis. So it says by the type: hemp seed oil, hemp fiber, CBD hemp oil. By geography: North America, Europe, Asian Pacific, rest of the world. By application: food and beverage, personal care products, textiles, pharmaceuticals. Some key players in the global industrial hemp market: Hempco, Ecofiber, Hemp Inc. Yep, Hemp Inc. So that's big, guys, that they're mentioned as being one of the key players. They've always been one of the key players, but the fact that they're starting to get some recognition for it is, in my opinion, a very, very big deal. So let's look at the charts and see what they're telling us. Okay, guys, so not much has happened over the past couple of weeks. We've been basically just hanging around a penny and kind of consolidating around this price ever since we hit that 4 cent spike a few weeks back. Okay, now a good thing, in my opinion, for me is, after I took profits and I had I made over 100% on this play. I wanted to see exactly where it was going to cool off at and stop. So the good thing for me is there's really not a lot of volume as of yet, and it's still above that SMA line, which is a really, really good sign for me. So I'm looking to add more here and increase my position. And in my opinion, guys, one positive catalyst that's coming up over the next couple of weeks are earnings. I don't have the exact date on that, but I know that it's coming up soon, and I think they're going to be positive, and I think that it's going to send it higher. Okay. Another thing to keep in mind that they do release a lot of PR on this stock, although it is pretty much under the radar at this point. But don't think for a second that just because it's an OTC stock, it can't go to $1, $2, $3, because there's some on the OTC market that are doing that now. Okay. Um, but anyway, I think the key thing for me is I want to, load my position as I can. I'm not going to go all in right now and just wait on it. But every now and again, if I take profits on another play and I have a few $100s, I could throw at hemp. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it there and just continue to add to my position. If it goes lower, I'm going to average down. Okay. And I'm going to wait for that first really big spike, in my opinion. Long term will maybe be 25 cents. And my mindset is if we can get to 25 cents, we can go to 50. We can go to 50, we're going to go to $1. Okay. So that's all I got for you today in this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some insight as far as what type of industry Hemp Inc. is in and the massive potential over the next several years. So other than that, guys, don't forget your free stocks at Webull below. Make sure and smash the thumbs up button, and we'll catch you in the next video.